Welcome back to the Pump and Dump channel for another video today on CNX Resources. So as mentioned, there are risks involved and things I cannot foresee coming. You can see the stock price is down 30 cents, about 4%. I had mentioned at about 4 hours ago so that given where the natural gas price was at the time, which was 255, it was a buy, and I did mention that if conditions stayed the same, I would be going heavily in. And unfortunately, something else happened. You can see, of course, the stock price is going down here. What happened is, let's just use this here, 4 hours. Oh, let's do 5 minutes is better. So what happened is, we opened down here at 249 on the stock market, and this is kind of important. It was at 255 where it was a clear buy, and 249.4 it was still a buy marginally, but not so much. And of course, it's still in a downtrend. So instead of going in heavy, I just decided that I would ease my way in slowly, buying 50 shares at a time. And of course, I bought it all the way down to here. And at this point in time, at 707, I looked again at my model and I saw that it was, the price reflected the natural gas price for the long term of 243. And then this happened, a few minutes later, it went boom, it went straight down. It just went into the toilet, and you can see here it went down as low as 241. It's at 242. In my model, I would have it at 242 of about 697, I guess, or something like that. So it is kind of a bit over the fair value at this point in time, with the natural gas price as low as 242 or 241. But in this situation, it is not the same as usual. This time it's a bit different, because now if we look on the daily basis, we can see why this move down happened. We can see here this head and shoulders forming. Up here's the head, and then here's the second shoulder, and then here you have this move down. You have the 200-day moving average, which kind of comes to the 240 level around here, and that is kind of the support at this moment towards the target for the shorts. If you go back to thinking about this Monday here, about a week and a few days ago, I had the attack on Saudi Aramco, which could have a severe impact on natural gas and supply of natural gas. And I think at this point in time, a lot of people got into the natural gas trade, and then the algos and the bots and all those trading vehicles, they saw the volume flowing into natural gas, and they just started selling, because this is kind of how the market works. Who cares what the price is? You just see people coming in with stop losses, and you try to trigger their stop losses. So that's kind of where it's at. Yeah, 707. It ran down to fair value at 243 before the natural gas price went to 243. So at this point in time, there's no reason to sell. Even if it's now still a percentage point or so above the fair value, given this move in natural gas price, there is absolutely no reason to sell at this point in time. That's based on my trading model that I'm using. 706 is, it's fair value based upon my trading model, which uses data from the 2018 annual report. On my investment model, it's still above $10, so I'm not too worried. I think this is going to go pretty well in the next few weeks, and if it doesn't, then well, I was just completely wrong, and I got everything wrong. So yeah, that's kind of where it's at. You can leave a comment or subscribe if you want to be notified in the future. Click I think it's the bell button you have to click. And that's all I have to say for now. So have a good day.